Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng no-bake birthday cake. Yes, no-bake siya and 2 layers ang gagawin natin. Lahat na measurements ng ingredients ay times 2. All-purpose flour, white sugar, baking powder, baking soda, eggs, cocoa powder, salt, instant coffee, hot water, vanilla extract. For our buttermilk, imimix natin yung ating evap and white vinegar. And cooking oil. Ito naman yung ingredients natin for our chocolate buttercream frosting. Cocoa powder, white sugar, all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, butter or margarine, instant coffee, and salt. Ito naman yung ating mga pang-decoration para sa ating cake, para maging pretty yung ating cake. So, meron tayong wafer sticks, mga pretzels, nips, and other chocolates. We have sprinkles and we have ribbon. Kayo, kung meron kayong ibang gusto na candies na ilagay, pwede din, you could be creative. Ang una natin gagawin ay, papakuluan muna natin yung ating water sa ating steamer. Dahil nag-iisa lang ang aking round na baking pan na malaki, so, gagawa muna ako ng first layer ng cake. Tapos, mamaya naman for the second salang for my second layer. So, hahatiin ko sa kalahati yung aking mga ingredients. Pero kung dalawa ang yung cake pans at kung malaki ang yung steamer, huwag yun nang hatiin yung ingredients. You can make the 2 layers of cake right away. So, ang unang gagawin ko ay ihahanda ko muna yung aking buttermilk. So, i-mix ko yung aking 1 tablespoon of vinegar and then mag-a-add ako ng evap na milk to complete 1 cup. Haluin mo lang siya and let it stand for 5 minutes. Sa isang bowl, mix natin lahat ng ating dry ingredients except sa sugar and coffee. Tapos, haluin mo siya ng mabuti hanggang mag-combine siya lahat. In a separate bowl, ihalo natin lahat ng ating wet ingredients except the hot water. And ihalo na din natin yung ating white sugar. Bago natin i-mix ang ating wet ingredients and dry ingredients, i-prepare muna natin yung ating hot water and instant coffee. So now, beat na natin yung ating wet ingredients until well combined. Add the vanilla extract. Add natin yung half ng ating dry ingredients and beat natin siya until just combined. And then add the rest of the dry ingredients. And then add the hot coffee and mix until well combined. And then, pour your cake butter sa lightly greased na pan na may cocoa powder or you could use parchment paper also. Tapos, itap mo siya few times to release air bubbles. So ngayon, steam na natin yung ating cake butter. Pero dapat mahina yung apoy, hindi dapat kumukulo. And steam natin siya for 45 minutes to 1 hour. At huwag kalimutang i-wrap ang lid or cover ng inyong steamer ng cloth para hindi matuluan yung ating cake butter. Usually, sinasabi ko steam for 30 minutes. Pero para to be safe, kasi iba-iba tayo ng stove. For example, sa akin, yung low heat ng stove ko ay medyo malakas, pero sa iba naman, yung low heat nila ay masyadong mahina. To be safe, after 30 minutes, mag-toothpick check kayo. Pero actually, ginagamit ko hindi toothpick, yung barbecue stick para mahaba, para abot dun sa ilalim, gaya nito. So, ayan, gaya niyan, basa pa siya. Cake butter yan. So, i-continue ko pa siyang lutuin. So, mag-check ako after 10 or 15 minutes. And if after 45 minutes, pagtusok mo ay may cake butter pa rin sa ilalim, i-adjust mo ang heat to medium-low heat and check every 5 minutes until cake crumbs na ang kumapit sa stick. Kapag luto na yung cake, i-off mo na yung stove, pero wag nyo na muna siyang kunin. Hayaan nyo na muna siya sa loob for 5 to 10 minutes with the lid on para hindi mag-shrink or lumiit yung ating cake. Cool cake in a pan for 5 minutes. Tapos, unmold mo yung cake and cool completely. So now I'm making my second layer of cake with the same ingredients and same procedure. So ayan, tapos na yung aking second layer of cake, pwede na tayo mag-frosting. Pero tomorrow na ako magpo-frosting kasi gabi na. I-wrap nyo lang siya ng cling wrap or foil tapos ilagay sa freezer. Yes, sa freezer, don't panic kasi okay lang yan kasi mai-retain niya ang moisture ng cake. So ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng ating chocolate buttercream frosting. In a pan, combine natin yung ating flour, cocoa powder, salt, sugar, evaporated milk, and instant coffee. Tapos, i-mix natin siya until well blended. Cook over low heat and bring to a boil and continue mo siya i-whisk until maging thick ang inyong mixture. So ayan, smooth and thick na yung ating mixture so pwede natin i-off yung ating stove. Tapos ilipat natin yung ating chocolate paste sa isang container na may takip and then i-refrigerate natin siya until very cold. Kapag ready na yung ating chocolate paste, pwede na tayo mag-beat ng ating butter. Beat na natin yung ating butter until maging light na yung kulay niya and fluffy na siya. And then add na tayo ng ating chocolate paste a tablespoon at a time and mix well after each addition. After mixing, set aside na natin siya and prepare na natin yung ating cake. Kukunin natin yung dome ng ating cake. Ililipat ko na yung cake sa cake board. So ngayon, pwede tayo maglagay ng ating chocolate buttercream na frosting for our filling. Maglagay ka ng 1 cup ng chocolate buttercream frosting, tapos spread mo siya evenly. Tapos, pwede na nating ilagay ang second layer ng ating cake. And then add a generous amount of your chocolate buttercream frosting and i-coat mo na ang buong cake. And now, the exciting part, magde-decorate na tayo ng ating cake. Since mahaba yung aking wafer stick, puputulan ko siya. So ngayon, lalagyan na natin siya ng ribbon. So ayan, eto na yung ating no-bake na birthday cake. Birthday kasi ng brother ko ngayon, so ginawan ko siya ng cake. Sa gustong gumawa ng cake pero wala namang oven, okay lang yan kasi meron na tayong steamer. Steam lang natin yung cake na yan at meron ka ng instant birthday cake. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating birthday cake and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you!